So here is an important question answers from the chapter Oceans and Continent. First one is define the term ocean, continent, landmass and island. So ocean is a vast body of salty water that covers about 71% of Earth's surface. Oceans separate continent and are home to a wide variety of marine life. Continent is a very large continuous land area on Earth. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Now what is the landmass? Any large area of connected land that is surrounded by water or clearly separated from other land areas is landmass. Example is continent. Island, a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water and is smaller than a continent. Example, Sri Lanka. Next is, why did early astronauts lovingly call Earth the blue planet? Because when viewed from space, it appears mostly blue. This is because almost 3/4 of Earth's surface is covered by water, mainly ocean, which give the planet its blue appearance. How ocean and continent play a vital role in shaping the climate of Earth. Ocean absorb and store heat from the sun and release it slowly, helping to keep temperature moderate. They also provide moisture that lead to rainfall. Continent heat up and cool down more quickly than ocean, affecting wind pattern, rainfall and seasonal changes. Together, ocean and continent influence the temperature, rainfall and weather pattern in different parts of the world. Differentiate between seawater and freshwater. So, seawater, it contains high amount of dissolved salt. Freshwater, it contains very little dissolved salt. Seawater is not suitable for drinking without treatment, whereas freshwater is suitable for drinking after proper treatment. Seawater is found in ocean and sea, whereas freshwater is found in river, lake, ponds and glaciers. Seawater support marine life such as whale, dolphin, octopus and many sea fish. Freshwater support freshwater life such as frog, turtle, fish and freshwater plant. Example of seawater is Arabian Sea. An example of freshwater is river Ganga. Next question is differentiate between bay and gulf. So a bay is a broad inlet of water partially enclosed by land, whereas gulf is a large inlet of water that is more deeply enclosed by land than a bay. Bay is usually has a wider opening to the sea, whereas gulf is usually has a narrower opening to the sea. Bays are generally smaller than gulf. Gulfs are generally larger and deeper than bays. Example of bay is Bay of Bengal. An example of gulf is Persian Gulf. Next is arrange the 5 oceans of the world from the largest to the smallest: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Next question is what are marine flora and fauna? How the ocean has its own variety of life forms. Marine flora and fauna are the plants and the animals found in the ocean. Different parts of the ocean, from the sunlit surface to the dark depth, have different life forms. The surface zone has plants like algae and phytoplankton and animals like fish and dolphin, while the deep ocean has specifically adapted creatures like deep sea fish and giant squid. Each ocean zone supports diverse marine life according to its condition. What is a tsunami? Explain its causes and effect. A tsunami is a series of huge ocean waves caused by the sudden displacement of seawater. It is usually caused by undersea earthquake, volcanic eruption or landslide. Tsunamis can cause severe damage to coastal areas by flooding land, destroying buildings and causing loss of life and property. Now question number 9 is describe the 7 continents of the world. So the earth has 7 continents, each with different landform, climate and living organism. Asia, the largest continent in area and population. It includes countries like India and China and has the Himalayan mountain range. Africa, the second largest continent, known for the Sahara Desert, wildlife and rich natural resources. North America include countries like the USA, Canada and Mexico. It has mountain forest and large plain. South America, famous for the Amazon rainforest and the Andes Mountain. Antarctica, the coldest continent covered mostly with ice and used mainly for scientific research. Europe, it is known for its history, culture, and developed countries. So this is the 7 continent at one glance. Okay. Australia, the smallest continent famous for unique animals like kangaroos and koalas. Together, these 7 continents form the major land areas of our planet Earth. Last question is, why are oceans called the lungs of planet? Because tiny marine plants called phytoplankton produce a large amount of the oxygen through photosynthesis. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and help maintain the balance of gases. They regulate Earth climate and support life on the planet. So these are 10 important question answers from the chapter that is oceans and continent. Okay, so if you reach until the end, then thank you so much for watching the video.